The production possibility frontier is the combinations of two or more goods an economy can produce with limited resources and constant technology. Let's walk through a simple example. Our simple economy produces only cars and computers. Now, when the economy uses all of its resources to make cars, it can make 1,000 cars. But if it uses all its resources to make cars, that means there's no resources available to make computers, so the number of computers will be 0. On the other hand, the economy can use all of its resources to make computers. Let's assume it makes 3,000 computers in that case. But if it uses all its resources to make computers, that leaves no resources available to make cars, so the number of cars falls to 0. Of course, 100%, 0%, 0%, 100% are the two extremes. We can allocate our resources in any proportion between those two. Let's just say if we do point C, if we use 50-50, let's say we can at that point make 600 cars and 2,000 computers. If we do 75% of our resources to make cars and 25% to make computers, we'll get 900 cars and 1,200 computers. So you can see as you decrease the percentage of resources used allocated to cars, the number of cars goes down from 1,000 to 0. And as you increase the percentage of resources used to make computers, the number of computers rises from 0 up to 3,000. Let's plot these points on the graph. So here on the right-hand side, I've got the 4 points we traced out: 1,000, 0, 900, 1,200, 600, 2,000, 0, 3,000. Normally when we draw a graph, we'll make a little cross. We have an x-axis, the horizontal axis. We have a y-axis, which is the vertical axis. And we measure, in this point, the intersection is the origin. Well, since cars and computers are both positive values, the only quadrant we care about is the top right quadrant. So we're going to draw our graph as a little right angle. Here's the origin. That's where cars and computers both equal 0. And let's measure cars on the horizontal axis and computers on the vertical axis. Now the maximum number of cars is 1,000. Let's say it's 1,000 right there, which means 500 is about right there. I'm just going to sketch this kind of rough. Computers, the maximum computers is 3,000. Let's say that's 3,000 here, which means that'll be about 1,000, that'll be about 2,000. Excellent. Let's plot point A. Point A is 1,000 cars, 0 computers. That means we've got to move to the right by 1,000 and up 0. So if we move to the right 1,000 cars and up 0 computers, we get point A, which is a point on the horizontal axis. Point B is 900 cars, so we've got to move to the right 900. That's going to be about right there. And we've got to go up 1,200 computers. That's going to be about right there. Let's do a little dotted line to keep things kind of straight. So point B is over 900, up 1,200. Point C is over 600, which will be about right here, and up 2,000. So right over there is point C, and point D is 0, 3,000. Point D is at the point on the vertical axis where we have 3,000 computers. Now we can connect these dots together in sort of a smooth curve to trace out what appears to be the production possibility frontier for our simple economy.